Hey guys, so all over Facebook has been this private society makeup, right? So I bought the Alter Ego palette. Oh my gosh, I can't see right now. All right, I got this one. It says AMP, the AMP. It's got these really cool colors on there. Can you see? Ooh. So we're gonna do a dramatic eye look today. I've already done all of my my face, and I did lips and some brows. So we're gonna just do the eye look. Quick tutorial, see how I like it. These colors look really cool, so let's try it. All right, so we're gonna go in, I'm gonna go in with like a tinier brush and just use Athena right here. Athena first. And we're just gonna layer this all into the top of the lid, okay? I like how it glides. It glides pretty good. And it's got good coverage too. I like that. I don't really see much fallout, which is awesome. Especially when you do like that dramatic look, you don't want to see like all these little pieces all around here. Because that's annoying. All right, I'm gonna take like a flatter brush right here, and I'm gonna go in with Terra, this like violet. And just gonna place it a little bit up in here. Just smooth it out a little bit right there. I don't have a lot of movement with it. I just want to kind of like place it right to where I'm wanting it to go. And then I'm gonna take more of like a round brush that's a little bit softer, same color, and I'm gonna just twirl it, and then I'm gonna just kind of follow that line. I'm gonna go up a little bit, get real blendy with it. The thing with purples and pinks and all these colors are kind of like with the camera, trying to get it as true as possible. That looks pretty true to that violet. I primed my eyes and then I concealed with Morphe, so I don't have a Private Society concealer right now, so once I get that, I'll review that too. But yeah, just go up a little bit like right there so you guys can see that. All right, so then I'm gonna go in with the Cornelia right here. And I'm gonna take this brush. These brushes I got from Bellamy. I really like them. Everything is real smooth. Everything applies well. I got a pretty good amount in there because I want to get this real dramatic. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of crease in there over that light violet and kind of come out. Oh look, got a little fallout. I do have a lot on my brush right now. I just want to blend it into that violet as much as I can. Just like that. I might have to go back with my concealer and clean that up, but I just wanted to kind of do this a little bit faster, so I put a lot more on than just like building it. Just blending it over that violet, okay? And then same over here. I like to look up so I can get it really good in my crease. Sponge fall out. Okay, I'm gonna go in through here, kind of like the corner of my lid. Just like that. Go up. Kind of just make these even. Again, I want to go real dramatic, so I'm just kind of like building these colors. Cool. All right, I'm gonna go in now with Apollo the black. It's like a black matte, which is kind of cool. I like that. I'm gonna take a really more precision brush with a point. I actually will conceal sometimes with that like kind of brush, and I go over to get into those little corners and stuff. So I want to get this kind of like the top of my lid. I'm gonna go just to about right there where my eye goes. Yep, we've got fallout. Probably use some tape. I'm just gonna place it where I want it. It does seem to place pretty good. And it still has movement when you place it, which is nice. Because sometimes when you place shadows and then they just don't move anymore, you know? And I hate that. Then you have no room for play. I'm gonna go back with my other color, my last color. I'm just gonna go over that. I didn't add any color. I'm just blending it into this black right here. Just like that. I do like how these shadows are super pigmented. I do like that a lot. Like, you don't have to use like a ton to get it on there. And I love high pigmented shadows. Place. I'm going to take my other brush and blend it out into there. Kind of focusing more at the top, right, of it in this corner. Back and forth, blend it out. Way more fallout on that side. Jeez Louise. Okay. Alright, I like how that's starting to look. That's fun. I have a clean brush right here that I'm going to use to just kind of clean this. I don't see so much of a line. I like everything real blended. Alright, let's go back. We're gonna take that brush again. It's Ophelia. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Add a little bit more to it, okay? And I'm gonna go in and just add some more on top right there. just to try and smoke it out a little bit with more of that burgundy. So overlapping there, there. Oh, let's go. Just getting more dramatic in here. After that, I'm gonna go back, let's see what should we do? Go back with Athena with my little tiny brush. With my light color, Athena, I started with. I'm just gonna kind of fade that. Ooh, it's pigmented. Whoop, whoop. So, I'm gonna just kind of go in there, go back, blend out. Just to kind of brighten that corner. I love lightening in the center because it just really opens my eyes up more, especially when I wear lashes. And when you have dramatic looks, lashes, always, 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 always. Blend that out. Clean it up. So far, I'm really liking this. Yeah, this is fun. Okay. So I'm gonna take just a clean brush, just a big clean one, and blend. I love going back with clean brushes to just kind of detail blend, especially when you're using multiple colors like this. It looks a lot better when you do that. Nice. All right, I'm gonna take, let's see. I'm gonna take Electrica, this end color right here, the little tiny brush, and I'm gonna just hit the corner of my eye with that one. It's like straight up glitter, and I love glitter. Right. Ooh, yeah, I like that. That shimmer, it's pretty. I'm gonna take that towards a little bit too underneath my eye. Ooh, I like this. This is cool. Oh yeah. These shimmers rock. I actually really like these. Super pigmented. Yeah, it's looking really good. Okay. This one. Cool. Oh, I really like that. Just gonna go in with this lighter color again, just kind of clean up this fallout. So just not too much, I'm just doing this real quick. And that way too, I can kind of follow my line I'm making right here when I do my wings, my wing liner. Add to it. I'm gonna take this Cosmo right here, and I'm just gonna use my finger, and I'm just gonna take a little bit with my finger and put some shimmer up here. Ooh, that is nice. Too, because it has like a little bit of like light pink glitter in it, which is really cool. I like it. Kind of goes like this like pinky thing, dramatic pinky, smoky look. I like that. Yeah, that's fun. Okay. I really like these shadows. These are really, really cool. Alter Ego, Private Society. Totally will buy again. I I am going to come back with some liner and lashes for the final look, right? Alright, I'm back. Lashes, liner, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Super dramatic makeup, casual hair, happy camper shirt. Yeah, this does not go well. I don't know what I'm thinking. But I do love this makeup and I want to know what you guys think. So let me know what you think of this makeup, if you've used Private Society before, and yeah, enter in the comments. I give it 2 thumbs up. All right, talk to you later, guys. See you soon. Bye.